This is the Lone Crater YouTube. We hope this video helps.
In this video, I will explain how to play School of Dragons on Windows. While the official game servers are no longer active, a dedicated community has created an emulator called SoDoff. This allows you to dive back into the world of Vikings and dragons, experiencing much of the original game content right on your personal computer. It's a fantastic way to revisit your favorite dragon training adventures. To get started, you'll need to download the SoDoff Windows client. Look for the official download link, often found through community channels. Once downloaded, the file will likely be a compressed zip archive. Simply extract its contents to a folder of your choice. After extraction, find and double-click the main executable file to launch the game client and begin the installation process. With the emulator running, you'll need to create a new account to start your journey. Old accounts are not transferable, so embrace a fresh start. Once logged in, you can begin exploring the expansive world, hatching and training over 60 different DreamWorks dragons. Participate in exciting quests, challenge friends in dragon races, and enjoy the multiplayer aspects of this revived adventure. For the best experience, consider joining the SoDoff Discord community. It's a great place for troubleshooting and staying updated. Also, verify your Windows PC meets the game system requirements for smooth performance. Remember to check the description for a link to those fantastic leak-proof meal prep containers, plus other great deals. We hope you enjoy soaring through the skies of School of Dragons once again.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.